Hello everyone and welcome to La Luna Cajun Studios. You could just call us La Luna. I'd be cool with that. Alright, 2 wild hairs mold. Pulled from the sides. It helps stuck that seal. My soap is probably too soft to be messing with still, but it's been over 14 hours and I'm growing impatient. So, I made olive oil last week. And it stayed in the mold for almost 4 days. And it got that I just couldn't get it out the mold. It was just too dang soft. And I knew if I messed with it, like I'm messing with this one, it would have glooped out. I would have probably had to crock pot it, which is hot process. But I didn't want to do that. I wanted to keep it a strict cold process. But no, I'm stubborn. Boy, that smells really good. This one is the vanilla fig, which I strongly believe it will change characteristics. Colors are going to change. As you can tell, it's soft and it looks like, well, heck, it looks like pumpkin or squash. It's still like too soft right now to be messing with, but I'm impatient. I don't want to wait another 14 to 18 hours to cut this. So we're going to slap it on the new cutter and just roll with it. Pretty neat. So perfectly even and easy breezy. Mac and cheesy squeezy. I'm sure my little kid could come up with a better term than I just did. I'm hitting delirium. I am sorry. I have been working all day and all night. And now we're another day. Perfect boars. Makes me such a happy lady. I have to thank a friend for this. Thank you for my bar cutter. I extremely appreciate. And a big fat chunky end. Perfect. So, I'm just going to have to figure out what kind of nifty little tool I could get in there to clean. Because, unfortunately, this thing doesn't come with instructions on how to clean in this little thingy. I'm sure mild soap and blah, blah, blah. But, I mean, like, in these cracks and crannies, I'm going to have to figure out something. So, this soap, I would say, has 4 weeks to cure. I don't know. The studio's on like an 80 right now, or what is it? Oh no, 72. But 72 is warm to be in here. I'm having to try to pop the seal of this. Oh, I just mushed the top. I'm telling you, I'm having all kinds of no luck in the last 48 hours. But I didn't kick the lye bucket, so that's a bonus. For now, even though I have a lizard that has been hanging out in the studio for a few weeks now. I guess I don't know how he got in here because we're pretty sealed up. But yeah, he managed to get his little butt stuck in here, and in the process of him getting ever so stucky in here, he's been hanging out on tubs. And when I'm on the other end of the studio, getting ready to batch up oils or melt down anything, he hangs out and he just stares at me. And I thought he was dead, actually. I didn't think he was a kicking and alive until I came to grab him to throw him outside. And he took off running. So yeah, he's very much alive, very much not dead. Well, I couldn't catch him So I was just going to take them and throw them back outside. Because there's woods all around my studio. But no. He took off. So, good thing is, won't be no bugs in the studio. Don't have them anyways. But I still won't have none because now I got a lizard. But at the same time, I was very, very scared, fearful for his life actually, that he would fall in one of the lye buckets. Number one, because I need to go back out and buy more water. I don't have any more water, distilled water, to make more batches of soap. And number two, I feared for his life that he would fall in and die. I can't have that on my conscience. I can't kill the poor lizard. He hasn't hurt me yet or caused me harm. So, him dying in a bucket of lye would be quite tragic. Number one, wasted lye. Well, wasted water. Number two, dead lizard. I couldn't do it. So I've been trying to catch him. Oh, can't get him. So yeah, these are super duper sticky. This recipe, I don't even know where my recipe card is for this. It's on the side somewhere. I've been a busy girl lately, and I love it. It's a good busy. Oh, just rake it down. Can't say that ain't pretty. It's very unique, very fall, even though fall, Mother Nature said we didn't need fall this year, so she skipped us. She went straight to winter. Naughty girl. Oh, this one's the one that we did the oatmeal in it. I could smell it. That's what I was trying to figure out. Yep. Smells like a food something. I think we have glycerin rivers. Sorry, glycerin rivers. Sometimes those words just don't come out correctly. Glycerin rivers actually looks like, when you look at a map. Oh, I got a weird drag mark. So when you look at a map and you see like there's something between I wish I had a map to show you. It just makes so much sense quicker. So, like when you're looking at a map, especially in a southern area, and you have swampland versus your land and water, okay? The swampy part doesn't quite show up as land and it don't show up as water. Look, in Louisiana, we're full of swamps. I think the Carolinas, one of those, have swamps as well. Florida has swamps. So, when you're doing those kind of map searches, I'm going to have to change my gloves. They do the same thing as glycerin rivers, just like my little soap has. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the soap at all. Actually, I find that it makes it a little more conditioning when you have them. There's nothing wrong with your soap at all if you have them. That's just perfectly fine. It doesn't make it a bad soap. It doesn't make it a, say, best soap either. I have found that it just makes it more conditioning, actually. I'm like all so full of it. But that is so fine with me. Smells very, very pleasant. So, yeah. My little fella here, he's going to need a name. Oh, I don't know. It's like having a car or a truck. I have a truck. And my truck is my gal. I just call her my gal. But yeah, usually things have names around here. It's how we keep everybody squared away. My cutter's gonna need a name. So if you have a suggested name, we would love to hear it. If we pick the name, how's about a free bar of soap? Free shipping, no taxes. Can't go wrong with that, right? How much awesome is that? So, let us know what you think we should name our bar cutter. We would love to hear from you. Leave a message here. Go to Facebook. Leave one there. Go to Instagram. Leave one there. Or email us. Leave it there. Put in subject line, bar cutter name. And I'm sure I'll have posts everywhere else, and you could let us know what you think.